Animating in Maya is a lot like animating on paper. We just define the keyframes and then Maya fills the rest. You can keyframe almost anything from an object's position, orientation, scale, to even its color. Hi, my name is Supriya and here I'm going to tell you how to set the keyframes. To set a keyframe, first select a start frame in the time slider. You can also increase or decrease the number of frames shown on the time slider here. Now go to your first frame and select your object and press S to keyframe at once. Now you can see the keyframes appears red in color in the time slider as well as the attribute editor and also in the channel box. Once your start frame is set, you can choose your end point. You can also choose your end frame. And press S again on your. Now when you press play button, the object animates. Okay, so by default 24 frames equal to 1 second of animation, which is optimal for the films. For the video games tend to run at 30 to 60 frames per second. You can also adjust the playback speed setting by right-clicking on the time slider. Playback speed. Usually, we'll leave this on to real time to get a true sense of your animation speed. You can also, if you want, you can also add the additional keyframes before or even between the existing ones. Like my first frame was on 1 and then then on 24. I can put on between 12 and move it like this and press S. Now you can see when it animates, it goes like this. You can delete keyframes by right-clicking either the channel box or the time slider. Shift plus dragging either lets you select multiple items for deletion, or in case of time slider repositioning, or scaling. This is great for making quick general timing adjustments for your animation. To make more detailed time adjustments, open the graph editor, go to Modeling, Window, Animation Editor, Graph Editor. This shows the selected object keyframes progression over time and is one of the best ways to get a sense of an animation flow. You can isolate specific attributes by selecting them. Now select the points and adjust their curvature by dragging tangents. Gentle slopes indicate gradual ease in or ease out. While sharp slopes makes the animation more uniform or abrupt. You can also change the type of curvature by using these buttons. You can also move or delete keyframes here too. Finally, if you don't want to bother with settings keyframe manually, you can turn on the auto keyframe down here. When this is on, Maya will automatically create a keyframe anytime you change and can object attributes. Just be careful, this can quickly snowball and fills your time slider with lots of keyframes.
So you can see how easily we can just animate a simple ball by putting some keyframes and by adjusting the tangents on a graph editor. Thanks for watching.